Hey guys, so this time around I'm going to be showing you how to compile this on executable that you can basically run in any computer, even though they don't have Unreal Engine installed in there. So it's as easy as going to File, Package, Project, and now this time around, instead of doing CPOP project, which, it's creating the whole project so you can open it in another computer, which does have Unreal Engine, it's going to be under Windows or compile for Linux or compile to Mac, although I don't see the Mac option here, probably just because this is a Windows system. So I can basically just say, hey, click to Windows 64 and be done with it, right? The issue is that if you create that executable, we haven't connected any controllers that are going to let me, exit the game. So I will be pretty much just cornering to having to press Alt F4 and close the project. And I don't want that. So I'm going to go to the project settings and I will look for input. So on the project settings input, I will create a new action mapping. This one is going to be called myQuit. And I can choose what is going to trigger that message. So over here, I have many different options I can just choose for. In my case, I'm going to go for my keyboard and I'm going to look for escape. So once I hit escape, this is basically just going to yell myQuit, and anything that has an action related to myQuit is going to get executed. So what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to open my character controller, and over here I'm just going to right click and say myQuit. That is going to call the custom event that I just created, and from here I'm just going to drag one pin out. I'll say quit game. So that's basically it. That's how I'm going to create that myQuit. I'll hit compile and save, and I'm going to close that. So just as simple as that, I have created a message that is going to close these things. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Package Project, and I'm going to hit Windows. Now, this is going to say, where do you want me to send it? And I had a previous recording here, so I'm just going to delete that file. This is going to go into the binary folder that I made for the other video, and I'm going to say, yes, select this folder, please. That is going to start compiling something, and I cannot show you this because of the way that I'm recording. I'm recording a 4K monitor, and this is just the area for a 1080. So you will find here in the corner the same packaging project. Again, unfortunately, I cannot show you that right now, but the idea is the same, right? It's still going to be compiling here, and that is going to take quite some time. You can actually open the output log and see what is the progress. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to pause the recording while this happens, and well, actually, it was super fast. I was going to just pause this thing. Depending on your project, it may take a couple of minutes, or in my case, it took a couple of seconds while I was explaining it. So no need to pause the video, but I'm going to close this output log. I already have that. One thing is for sure, though, once I go to the binary folder and run that executable in the Windows Node editor, this is going to take the whole screen, and I won't be able to show you individual parts. So I'm just going to just pretend that the whole game is this up close, and we're gonna be fine. So that is my game. I can walk around, jump, move in my world, and once I hit escape, that is going to close the game and it's gonna return me to where I was. If I hadn't created that custom event, no matter how much I would click on escape, there was no way of exiting my game. So I would have to hardcode Alt F4 and close, and that's it. So thank you for watching. I will catch you up in the next short video.